Hey guys, it's me, ShariB. Welcome back to my channel. So as I promised, we are back with another video on this It's Me ShariB Sunday, and today we are gonna get all up in my personal life because we're doing a room tour. So yeah, it's gonna be a quick one, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys how I'm living and whatnot. So if you're interested in seeing what my rooms look like, and if you just want to be nosy and creep a little bit, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're going to start off this tour right here in this section. Basically, it's just a little cubby thing that I have right here that I like to keep my clothes in. And then up top I have some candles, there's some jewelry in those little jars. And then just random stuff, mirror and flowers and whatnot. I'm not going to go into all the little cubbies, but I do have two main ones that I use a lot. This one right here keeps all of my hair products, so blow dryer, straightener, flat iron, curling iron, everything like that is in this little hole right here. And then on the other side, in this one right here, I keep all of my perfumes, lotions, body sprays, and stuff like that. Alright, so right beside the dresser is my closet, which we're not going to go into, and then right below that I have some shoes that I wear a lot, a basket with all of my camera equipment, and then up top I just have some command hooks that hold a few bags that I wear from time to time. Moving away from this section, we come to my bed, which is where I spend 99.9% of my time in my room. It's pretty simple. I just have this little monogram thing that I got from Etsy at the top. I can link that down below because it's really cool. I like it a lot. And then right next to my bed is my nightstand, and under there are just a whole bunch of cords and random chargers and stuff like that. Moving to the side of my nightstand, I have a few more command hooks with some hats up top, and then down below there's bags that I wear from time to time as well. And then right beside that is my mirror. And then over here in this little corner is my desk. This is where I try to get most of my work done, if I'm not lazy and doing it in my bed. But it's pretty simple, basic desk, and right beside there is my TV and this other cubby section with clothes. In these holes I have a whole bunch of random old awards, my diplomas in there, and then my TV is just mounted up top. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some ideas for your room if you're about to decorate your room or something, I don't know. But yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to drop a comment, drop a like, and subscribe if you're a real one, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.